Hello guys, so in this video we will see about our module that is multi-branch accounting reports. Alright, so this module is compatible with Odoo Enterprise Edition. So in Odoo Enterprise Edition, in accounting module they have provided functionality to generate on-screen accounting reports. So you will be able to generate your on-screen accounting reports and their related summarized data based on multiple branches there from this module. Okay, so you will be able to see, let's have a look at this module functionality. So you will be able to see that by going to these branches, there are many branches I have already defined, like Los Angeles, Chicago, New York, in this one company. All right, now when I will go to here in accounting, and I will be able to see the reporting part, I will be able to see there are different kinds of on-screen reports are available in Enterprise Edition. So I will be easily able to manage my data based on multiple branches, and I will be able to see my reports based on that. Okay, so I will go to the I will go to the profit and loss account first, and you will be able to see that like this kind of figure is available. So I will be able to manage multiple branches related data like Los Angeles, Chicago and New York. I can easily able to define these branches, and the data will be automatically come accordingly. Just for one example, like balance sheet, so you will be able to see that there are already some figures are there. So whenever you have not select any branch, then the result will be combined for all the branches. Okay, now let me see, I am just defining this Los Angeles branch over here, as you can see, and the result is different, right? Now I can also combine multiple branches like Los Angeles and Chicago, so you can be able to see that the result is combined over here. Now if I will remove this result, if I will remove these branches, I can also able to see the updated result over here, and the New York branch, so I will be also able to see my updated result over here for my New York branch. Okay, when I will go to, like, let's say the executive summary, I can also able to define that, see that, like if I will define different branch like Los Angeles, the result is also different. Okay, now just same like this, on this all on-screen reports, we have provided this kind of functionality, and on which kinds of on-screen reports we have provided this functionality, you will be able to see in this video's description section. Okay, so you will be able to see that I am generating the partner ledger. So there are different partners available over here, and the related initial balance, debit, credit and balance is already available. Now let me just filter out with this Los Angeles branch, so you can see the result is different. If I want to combine multiple branches, I can be able, the result will be also accordingly generated. Okay, if I will go in the reporting part, and if I will generate aged receivable, okay, the result is not here. If I will go like general ledger, so you will be also able to see the branch Los Angeles, so the result is also generated based on the branch. If I will combine the Chicago and the other branch like New York, the result will be also different based on the combination of these two branches. Okay, if I will go to the trial balance, and will be able to combine these multiple branches, like if I want to also see the Los Angeles result and Chicago, so this result will be also visible to me like that. So you will be able to see over here that we have provided this functionality to manage my on-screen accounting reports data based on multiple branches, and you will be also able to combine two branches, or if you will if you are willing to take only one branch, then you can also bifurcate your result accordingly. And when you will just export the data, just for one example, like I am exporting the trial balance like this based on only New York, and when you will generate the PDF, then the result will be exported like this way. Okay, you can see, and the branch will be also represented over here. So in the printout also we have also defined the branch, so that it will be also easily identified by the team. Okay, so like this we have provided this functionality to manage and generate the on-screen accounting reports based on multiple branches. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you will have any kind of query or question, that do not hesitate us to contact us. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.